Hey there, fellow appliance warriors. If you're staring at that frustrating F220 fault code on your Miele washer and wondering what on earth it means, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll dive into fixing it step by step, so you can get your laundry back on track without calling in the pros right away. First things first, the F220 code typically signals an issue with the water intake system. That could mean a blockage, a faulty valve, or even just a simple kink in the hose. It's super common, especially if you live in an area with hard water or haven't checked your connections in a while. Before we jump in, a quick safety note. Always unplug your washer and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Got that? Great. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check your water supply. Make sure the faucet connected to your washer is fully turned on and that there's good water pressure. If it's low, that might be the culprit. Next, inspect the inlet hoses. Look for any kinks, bends, or damage. Straighten them out if needed, and give them a gentle shake to dislodge any debris. Moving on to step 2. Clean the inlet filter. This is often the hidden villain behind F220. Locate the filter. It's usually at the end of the hose where it connects to the washer. Unscrew it, rinse it under running water, and make sure it's free of lint, sediment, or mineral buildup. Once it's clean, reattach it securely. Now, for step 3. Reset your machine. Unplug the washer for about 2 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches and might just solve the problem. If the code persists, it could be something more serious, like a defective water valve or a sensor issue. In that case, it's time to consult your Miele user manual or contact a professional technician. Remember, tinkering with electrical components isn't worth the risk if you're not experienced. There you have it, your straightforward guide to tackling F220. By following these steps, you'll be washing clothes in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home fix-it tips. Thanks for watching, and happy laundering.